Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my next video today. We know that how we design puzzle game in CorelDraw. No move to computer screen, first fall. Click on polygon tool and select graph paper with the help of pick tool. Select 4 rows and 4 columns and drag your mouse on clipboard. You see that your graph paper is appear front view. Then select circle from toolbar and draw on graph paper. Also arrange circle. Then take some copy circle with help of keyboard and mouse press, plus on keyboard. You can take copies of circle and arrange these circle in every rectangular. Take more copies of circle and arrange it. Now we draw complete circles. Take more copies of circle and arrange it. Now we draw complete circles. And next step, click on Smart Fill and fill in half circles. Guys, like my video and subscribe my channel. After filling circle with Smart Fill, delete half circle which is unfill. After removing half circle, then move to next step, select Smart Fill and fill in graph paper and remove lines. Then select all graph paper, use keyboard, press button Ctrl plus G, your graph papers now in group. Then select any image which you think that it better for puzzle design. Use mouse, press right button and click on power clip. Your image is power clip in graph paper, then arrange it. That show more better. Then select graph paper, click right button of mouse and click on ungroup option. You see that your puzzle game is now ready for playing. Now enjoy his puzzle with friends. I think you better understand my instructions at the end. Now like and subscribe channel. If you support me, I will create more creative things for you. Thank you.